So Verity has become one of the biggest trends in Minecraft right now. Millions of downloads. And if you're on Java Edition specifically, here's exactly how to get it installed, step by step, so you don't run into the same issues a lot of people are hitting. Let's start with what you actually need before touching the mod itself. On Java Edition, mods don't just drop into a vanilla install and work. You need something called Forge first. Forge is basically a modding platform that sits on top of Minecraft and allows other mods to load and run properly. Without it, nothing else in this guide is going to work, so don't skip this part even if you're eager to get to Verity itself. To get Forge, open any browser and search Minecraft Forge. Make sure you land on the official Forge website, not a third-party download site. There are a lot of fake Forge installers floating around, and you don't want to run an executable from somewhere you can't verify. Once you're on the real site, you'll see version options. Pick the one that matches the Minecraft version you're currently running. This matters because Forge versions are tied to specific game versions, and mismatches are one of the most common reasons mods fail to load later. Download the installer, run it, and when it asks where to install, make sure it's pointing to your existing Minecraft directory, not a separate folder. Now, here's where a lot of people get tripped up. When you go looking for Verity itself, you'll notice there isn't just one file called Verity sitting in one obvious place. Because this mod has gone viral, there are multiple versions and even some unrelated files using similar names circulating online. To avoid downloading something fake, outdated, or even unsafe, go directly to CurseForge and search for it there. CurseForge is the standard, trusted platform the Minecraft modding community uses, and it's where the legitimate creators actually publish their work. Before you click download on anything, take a second to actually read the mod's description page. This is genuinely important because most mods list specific requirements right there, and if you skip past them, you'll end up confused later wondering why nothing's working. In Verity's case specifically, it requires an additional library called GeckoLib to run properly. GeckoLib isn't part of Verity itself. It's a separate tool that Verity depends on for its animations and behavior to function. If you install Verity without GeckoLib, the mod will either fail to load entirely or behave in broken, unexpected ways. So download GeckoLib first. Go to its official CurseForge page, and make sure you're grabbing the version that's compatible with the same Forge version you just installed. Save that file somewhere you'll remember, like your Downloads folder, for now. Next, go back and find the actual Verity mod file on CurseForge and download that as well. Now comes the part where you actually get these files into the game. Press Windows + R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. Type in %appdata%, exactly like that, with the %signs, and hit Enter. This will open a folder called Roaming. Inside there, look for a folder named .minecraft. That's your main Minecraft data folder. Open it up, and inside, you're looking for a folder called Mods. Now, a quick heads up here. Depending on your setup and whether you've installed any mods before, this folder might already exist, or it might not, and that's completely normal. Don't panic if you don't see one. If there's no mods folder already sitting there, just right-click, select New Folder, and name it exactly Mods, all lowercase, no spaces. Minecraft and Forge will automatically recognize and use that folder the next time you launch the game. You don't need to configure anything else for it to work. Once you have that mods folder open, go back to your downloads and drag both files into it. GeckoLib first, then the Verity mod file itself. You can drag and drop them directly, or cut and paste, whichever way you're comfortable with. The end result is the same. Both files need to end up sitting inside that mods folder together. Last step before you play. Open your Minecraft launcher like normal, but before you hit play, check the profile selector at the bottom, usually a drop-down menu. Make sure you have the Forge profile selected, not the default vanilla Java profile. This is a step people forget constantly, and it's frustrating because everything looks like it installed correctly. But if you launch on the wrong profile, none of your mods will actually load, because vanilla Minecraft doesn't know Forge or its mods exist. Once you've selected the Forge profile, hit play, let it load in, and if everything's set up correctly, Verity should be active in your world. That covers the full install process from start to finish. If you get through all of this and something's still not working, drop your specific issue in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot it. See you in the next video.